Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to get medkits in SAND. Medkits are the primary healing items in SAND. There are two main ways to obtain them. If you're still early in the game, you'll need to loot them. Medkits can be found inside medical cabinets scattered across both minor and major points of interest, from small shipwrecks to large towns and other named locations. Be sure to search every medical cabinet you come across, as they're one of the most consistent sources of medkits. As you progress through the game, you'll eventually unlock medkits for purchase in the item shop. To do this, you'll first need to unlock the energy rod shop upgrade in the tech tree. After that, the medkit shop upgrade will become available, allowing you to buy medkits whenever you have enough crowns. If you're short on crowns, you can always head back out on an expedition and continue looting medical cabinets instead. This is a great way to stock up without spending your hard-earned currency. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.